Alright, when I about to say winter storm, Hurricane Dorian is on the way. Can't really tell anything right now. It's just a little windy for right now. I have to go to school. We're on early dismissal today, and Dorian is expected to move in sometime tonight into tomorrow. So I will likely make another video whenever Dorian moves in and when the wind picks up, so stay tuned. And I just pray and I hope everyone just be safe, as already there were 7 deaths with Dorian, and I just hope everyone is prepared and ready for Dorian.